Yeah. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm still okay, my life is still going. My heartbeat is still pumping. Oh my god. 怎么搞的? What's going on? What's going on? Right. Okay. And okay. What's going on? What's going on?真奇怪。Hey. Wow. Really very bad. Đoạn到完了？不是吧？是啊，我这里其他的竟然跟我断到完了，搞什么的？ Okay. Am I back? My god, what's this? Oh yeah, yes, I'm back. Alright, sorry guys, I'm very sorry. Technical glitch here. My god, okay. Anyway, okay, since I'm back, okay, let's grab this opportunity to quickly go. Alright, thank you so much. Hi JJ, hi Marcus. Well, let's see. Okay, well, I'm still here. Okay, so Pound Kiwi. So for the Pound Kiwi wise, okay, Pound Kiwi over here. All right, and for Pound Kiwi, okay, we should be looking out this Pound Kiwi for the selling. Okay, over at this point here, there's it seems like they are going to take the liquidity here. Okay, so it still looks like it's very good over at this point here. For Pound Kiwi, I would say that it's quite a good one. Okay, we should be looking out into this, but we still need to pay attention to this level here. Okay, right. So let's see. This is one level. So we still have this area here to take about 30 over pips, but after that, from here to here will be a very good drop. Okay, so we can pay attention to this area. Okay, we can pay attention to this area. Dobra jutro, Caro. Nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. Alright. Yeah, sorry, just now I got disconnected just now earlier on. I don't know what happened. Okay. I don't know what's happening. I cannot even speak properly now. Okay, so anyway, okay, so for Pound Kiwi, it looks good. Okay, so over here, for the Pound Kiwi, okay, I'm going to put this Pound Kiwi into my watch list. Guys can pay attention to this. Once the price actually comes into 1.99893, then I think there will be a nice drop there. Okay, so we can take a look at that area. Okay, for pound dollar, let's take a look at pound dollar. Well, pound dollar over here, we have tested onto the resistance, and now we can see pound dollar is still in the bull, correct? We are still in the bull. Now today we are looking into a selling because looking into this area here, pound dollar, we have a trending over at this point here, and the price for yesterday it has coming up to test onto the resistance, and resistance able to hold it nicely. Okay, so this is one that we are discussing yesterday. So nicely done, and are now starting to sell down. So are we going to we are going to look out for the support over here, this area. So once again, by looking into this area here, okay, we still have quite a good space down there, about 35 pips, Okay, so over at this point here, all right, yeah, yes, have some barley soup, you will be better. Thank you so much. Oh, you're so lovely, Carol. Okay, so yep, yeah. Okay, so over here for dollar CAD, okay, we can see a dollar CAD today. Dollar is seems like dollar CAD is moving strong. Okay, so hopefully it's moving strong after having some barley soup. Okay, I would like to see the dollar CAD to move as strong as possible to meet up with this resistance over here. Okay, so let's see. Right over here, to be exact over here. All right, so we are looking into this resistance 135.665. all right, so over here, let's see. Okay, I hope to see that this is going to move towards this because tentatively the buying is still ongoing. All right, so over at this point here, well, so for dollar CAD, more onto the buying side. I'm more on the buying side here, so I will want to wait for a while. Okay, as for the dollar franc, okay, dollar franc over at this point here, dollar franc at this point here, well, let's see. Dollar franc, we are actually hitting at the right at the bottom here, so it's not very I would say that it's still on the buy side, because as you can see, higher lows, and now creating another higher lows to test onto the resistance up here. Okay, so at the moment we can see that this area here, right? So we can see this area will be waiting for it to retest back into this area, so that there may be another round of selling. Okay, yeah. So over here, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. Let's take a look. Dollar yen. Well, as for dollar yen over at this point here, well, for dollar yen over at this point here, looking at this dollar yen, looks like we are still moving towards this area. Okay, so it's still good. All right. As for dollar yen, I think since last month we have been talking about dollar yen, waiting for it to go further up. All right, I'm still waiting for it to test into this area of 137.233. Okay, but of course, in between, along the way, there may be some turbulence area here. All right, so waiting for it to break this area and to continue to 137.233. Still on the buy side. I would say that it's still on the buy side. Okay, so generally, I think there will be a good chance that it still go for a buy. Okay, so let's wait and see. Okay, but for now, I'm not going to sell for dollar yen, dollar franc, and dollar CAD. Okay, all right. Okay, let's quickly update a little bit on the Bitcoin. We are still on the 27,000. Okay, so I'm still waiting for it to go to 28. Okay, 28. Yeah. So for the buyers who are still on from the 16,000, okay, we should still be looking out for the buy side. The upside is still very promising. Okay, so for the gold, okay, for the gold wise, probably we may be still looking into that area, that we should be still watching this area to see if there's a good chance there. Okay, and we will be good chance for the selling, right? Okay, yeah, good chance for the selling. So let's see. Okay, yeah, and let's wait. We are heading down to 2004. So I think 2004 achieving. Okay, so we have been talking about this price after testing into 2022, which is about here, 2022, correct? We are tested on 2022, and then after that we are looking out for this 2004. Well done, Carol. We have achieved 2022, hold it nicely, and now coming back to test on the 2004. I think that's pretty good. All right, that's pretty good. So let's wait for it to test onto this area first. Then after that, we'll take a look where else it can go. Okay, all right. Go TP 5 pips. Congratulations. Well done. Just not too much of barley soup because you can get gay essence. Really, huh? Okay. Yeah, anyway. Yeah. You know what, Carol? There are a lot of people think that I'm a gay. Okay, yeah. Alright, so well done. Okay, anyway. Yeah, so many. Yes. Okay. You know, whenever I go Thailand, okay, I always have these there are always people asking me, alright. So are you a gay? Always ask me the same question from different groups of people. Sometimes it makes me so confused about my gender. Okay, so yep, and yeah, let's see. Okay, let's see what do we have here. All right, so yeah, I'm going to post this out so that everybody know what are the currencies that we are going to focus. Okay, yep. And over here, we are going to take a look at the Aussie franc, Aussie yen, Aussie dollar, euro yen, euro dollar, pound cat, pound yen, pound kiwi, and pound dollar. All right, yep. Yes, 2004 is a completely recovered liquidity. We can expect some pullback. Yep. Okay. Yes, that's one. That's something that interesting. Okay. All right. Yes. There'll be some pulling back very soon, I guess. Okay. Yeah. So okay, we have yes, Sabrina. Congratulations to Caro. Okay, Sabrina, congrats, Caro. All right, thank you, thank you. Thanks, I shall thank you on behalf of Caro. Okay. Okay, well done, Sabrina. Okay. I've been holding this gold trade with 0.01 to have a test out. Finally, I got a one good round from 2021 all the way down to 20,005. Wow, nice one. Nice catch. Nice catch. Okay. Caro say thanks to Sabrina to other dimension. Okay. Well done, well done. Okay. So over here, alright, over here. So let's see if the pulling back is will be coming in. I guess there will be some drop from after this 2004. Okay, after this 2004, I see there's another round that if this 2004, 2002, okay, I see there's a very good opportunity here that 1989 is one of my targets since a very long time ago. Okay, 1989. Okay, I'm still waiting for this price to come back into 1989. Okay, 1989. Okay, so Caro is looking at 1998 to 1995. Okay, 1998 to 1995. Okay, I'm a bit far too low, right? 1998. Okay, let's take a look. 1998. Okay, yeah. Okay, 1998 is one possible one. Okay, the first one to go before I go to my 1989. Okay. Yeah, so at the moment right now, okay, okay, and I still see that there's a good chance there, alright, for after this break off, after this, let me see. Right, if this is able to break on the 2002 1998 is quite possible. Okay, but it will be a pullback first. Yes, it must have a pullback. Yeah, I agree with that. Okay, it must have a pullback. So with a pullback, I think let me check. It must have a pullback, huh? Okay, if the pullback 1, 2, okay. Okay, so two ten, that means 6 here. Okay, about here. All right. It's about here. Okay, so I'm looking into this area here. Okay, so then maybe I'm pulling back until 2006, right? Let me see, yeah. Let me check. Slightly above, slightly up a bit. It should be here. Yeah, about 2007. Okay, around that 2006 to 2007. Okay, so should be around here, right? Then if this able to hold as a resistance, into this area, then I will see that there's still a good chance for the selling off. Okay, that's for the goal. All right, that's for the goal. Yep. Okay, so yep, and okay, so let's see what do we have here. All right. One thing. Okay. Just before we go on. Okay. Just before we go on, and just like to have a little discussion here. All right, especially for Caro, and maybe Caro is a gold digger. So let me ask Caro. Okay, Caro, I came across a platform here. Okay, we're trading on the gold. Okay, but when I look at the price from the MT4, okay, currently our price is at 2005. But this platform here, this guy, okay, his MT4 is actually running on 2009. So it's actually, I would say it's actually a 40 difference. Am I right? Okay, how is that possible? That's a question for Caro. Okay, currently your price and my price should be almost the same. Am I right? 2005. So, but on the other platform, okay, and the other guy that showed me, his price is actually running at 2009. Okay. Is he a fortune teller? Okay. Well, he claimed that his MT4 is directly from the price. The price in his MT4 is directly from what do you call, from the liquidity provider. Okay, so the price that he's having is not for the retailer. We are retail trader, am I right? So his price is his price from the LP. Okay, so this is something that I would like to bring it up. Okay, so that everybody can have a discussion on that. Okay, so that we can learn from each other as well. Okay. Yeah, so let's see. Okay. Right. Well, of course, there's a difference between the retail MT4 and liquidity providers. Okay, but it's in seconds. Yeah. Yes, of course, definitely is yeah. Okay. Yes, correct. Okay. So at the moment, okay, about 5 to 10 seconds. Yes, agree. Okay. Yeah, so at this point here, okay, in this case here, okay, there are people who are actually quite curious about this, because right now, as we are running at 2006, okay, his price is already running at 2010. Okay, so that means to say, seems like he is faster than us, correct? Can't believe there's such a huge difference. I can't believe that as well. Okay. I can't believe that as well. Okay, so that is something quite questionable. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Yeah. Okay. All right. So. Okay, that's bullshit, huh? Okay. All right, so let me tell you, the price now is running at 2011. Okay, the price now is running at 2011. Is his price in USD? Yes, yes, maybe. Maybe in rupees. Okay, so okay, after it hits 2011 and 2011, let me see, 2011, okay, yeah, now it's still maintaining at 2011. Okay, 2011, yeah. So this is something something that quite questionable, because there might be difference between the spot and the digital price. Yes, definitely, but is it a bit too big? The price is running a bit too big. Yeah, so this is something that quite curious. Okay. Okay, we have one. Yeah, definitely not 45 pips, right? Yeah. Yes. Okay. Definitely it's not 45 pips. But you know what? You know what? The candle is moving exactly as what we are moving, but the price is different. You know, the candle is moving exactly the same, but the price is so different. Yeah. Now we are 28. Correct. That is now it's running at 2012. Right, so that's one. Okay. Okay. Hi Jill, nice to see you here, Jill, from Facebook. You're from Mexico. Thank you so much for coming in. Thank you so much. Yeah. Send me link, please. Want to see it. I don't have a link. But probably. It's on my iPad. Yeah, it's on my iPad. Yeah. Let's see. I don't know if you can see. Okay, so this is one. Okay, so that's let me see. Well, anyway, can't really see her. We can't really see. Yeah. So the thing is that over here, when I was looking at this, okay, it was like quite a, you know, candle movement is exactly the same. Candle movement is exactly the same. All right, but the price is so different. All right, okay, yeah. So this is something quite questionable. Yeah. Okay, anyway, Jill, thank you for coming in. Would you like to click on the link above so that you can join in directly into my YouTube channel, so that I can see you directly here? Okay, all right. So thank you for coming in. I believe this is the first time, because this is my first time I see you here. Thank you so much for coming in. Okay, we are building this community so that everyone can have a good community to trade together. High five. All right, so yep. Okay, anyway, okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see what do we have here. Okay, so at this point of time, okay, now the price is running at 2011, so I'm running at 2007. Okay, 2007, 3, 4, 5. It's already almost to. He's running at 2012. Yeah, almost 2012. Yeah, so but the best thing is the questionable thing is that the candle is the same. The candles are the same, you know. Well, now I'm turning red. It is turning red as well, but the price is different. Yeah, that is one questionable. Something that's questionable. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I have one. Just now I was saying that yeah, I have one that actually coming in for this well, okay, let me scroll it back and see what is it. Okay, let me scroll it back and see. Okay, let's see. All right, let me see what's the message back. Let me see. Okay, you can discuss the price shown on the MT4 from your brokers if you have high volume as an introducing brokers, so that the difference in price may be the commission that you can take from your retailer customer. So that is one that you can, but you need to have a big volume from the brokers so that the brokers can make an adjustment from their system. Oh, I see. Okay. So we learned something here. That is one possibility. Okay, that's one possibility. Okay, so that's one. All right. So, well, so sometimes when I get to know something new, I will always compare the price from the rest of the brokers. Okay, so I have a few live account from different brokers just to compare, just for comparison purpose. Okay, so I see some things like this. Yeah. So I just want to make sure things are doing it properly. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, why am I making use of this time to talk about this? Is because I'm waiting for the London market to open. Okay, so that to avoid FOMO, so I'm actually having a little small chat with everybody, because I'm actually looking out for pound dollar to sell. Okay, but the pound dollar has already sold. Okay, just now earlier on, and I'm waiting for the pound dollar to retrace. Okay, to retrace up again, so that I have a good chance to sell. All right. So at this point here, pound dollar. Yeah, this morning I was telling some guys in Thailand over here, we are waiting for the resistance to match up, and we can get ready to sell down. Okay, so fortunately, I'm looks like today I'm lucky enough to be a fortune teller. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Carol. That's usual thing. For example, in crypto, every exchange has different price for BTC depending on the trading volume for every exchange. Yes, I agree with that. Yeah, that's quite usual, right? But having a 45 pips difference is weird. Yes, that's why I was like, That's something I was like, okay. You know what? I was watching it and I'm monitoring it till about 16 hours in London. 17 hours in London. I was like, that is very interesting, huh? Okay, so I was like, yeah. So yeah, that's very interesting anyway. But when I scroll through, okay, I realized that the movement, the candle structure is the same, exactly the same as all the platforms all the brokers MT4s that I have. Okay, then but the price is the weird thing is that the price is different. That's all. Yeah, so that's something that I'm very curious about. Okay. Yes, Hubert will say curiosity doesn't kill a cat. Nowadays the cat kill the curiosity because it's transparent. You know it well what is going on. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Come to me, I can do the same for you. Come to me, I can do the same for you. You can easily make extra commission without trading from your retail customer. Okay, I will. That's a good money. 45 pips, Okay, yeah. Alright. But the thing is that if the price is different, that may come from different liquidity provider. But the thing is that, let's say if I trade in this platform, okay, when I close my trade, as the profit show, will it be, when I win, okay, let's say when I have a winning trade, okay, will my price being recorded to pay out my profits is on the normal MT4, which is mine, let's say, okay, not mine, let's say basing on your MT4, okay, general MT4, let's put it that way. But when I lose, when I have a losing trade, will be the price based on this person with a 45 pips difference. I know there's some trick there out there. Okay, I know, guys. Sometimes we got to be a little bit careful. Okay, when you are having when you are getting a new trading brokerage, okay, a brokers, you can do some comparison from other brokers. Difference by a few pips, that is normal because liquidity providers are different. Okay, but certain things that if you see that you know, if the pips like this are so big difference, then you have to pay attention to this person, okay, who is actually providing you this platform, because in there are stories like this. Okay, when you are at the losing end, your price is basing on his platform. Okay, but if you are at the winning, and if you are at the winning end, okay, your price is basing on the general MT4 price. So it's a bit unfair, am I right? Okay, so that is something that you need to take note. Okay, there is some scams running around that can be happening. Okay, which I heard that many years back. Okay, many years back. So you alternatively, there's another thing that the price difference, which is so big, it can be negotiated between the introducing broker, okay, which is the IB, okay, to direct to the brokerage, or he may not be just IB, he may be a white label, you know, he may be a white label. So that's why he can negotiate the price, okay. But usually people should negotiate the spread, okay, but not the price. That's something, you know, okay. Anyway, just to highlight this thing, so that everybody can take note, okay. So to understand that there are such things happening, running around, so that you know, okay, what to do to get yourself into a state whereby, okay, you are getting a fair deal. All right. So if let's say your winnings and your losses are kept at the price that is quoted there, then I think, okay, it's pretty fair. Okay, but the other thing is that, okay, if the price doesn't match what the general price is, that means to say, is the price being controlled in a way? You get what I mean? Behind the back end system, I'm not sure. Okay, so just be careful. Yeah, but what's the point of negotiating the price if his trade are counted in that price after? Yeah, exactly. I'm not sure why. Okay, so that's another thing. Okay, yeah. So anyway, well, good morning, London. We are back here, right? So let's come back here in our trading. Yeah. Hi, Joshi boy. Nice to see you here. Thank you for coming back. Yes. Okay, you are looking very clear and sounding very clear. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Okay, so hopefully it will still go on very well. Okay. Yeah, so pound dollar, we have selling after matching up with the resistance up there that we have discussed yesterday, and it went down for the selling today. It went up for the selling this round. Well, does it mean that it will still continue the selling? Okay, but the thing is that we just need to be a little bit careful, because I'm still waiting for pound dollar to form up a trending market to show the sellers are coming to take over the buyers. So in this case, okay, all right, so we are looking out into this area here. Okay, we are looking out for some reclamation here. Okay, that then after that, if this is able to hold, then it will still come back for the selling. Okay, so this is something that I'm looking out for, so that after that we can go on for the selling, which is quite promising. I would say that it should be coming in. Okay, I'm over at this point here, this level. Okay, so let's see. All right, let's see if that holds. Okay, if this resistance able to hold, then there will be a good chance that we can go on the selling down once again. Okay, so we have a little bit of waiting. Okay, but the sign is quite clear. Okay, the sign is quite clear. All right. Okay. And well, as for the goal, okay, Caro, I just share a little bit what I've heard from this person. Okay. Yeah, and they have a system, okay, which is not for retail. Okay, this system over here. Okay, so now this system is actually showing that the goal is coming to a point that you have the so-called the POC, huh? Okay, by looking at this, he mentioned about POC, and he said that the system over here is exclusive for him. Okay, if you can see all these bars here, just like like a volume indicator here. All right, yeah, okay, so just like a volume indicator. So it's now is hitting at the so-called the highest, the POC. Yeah, okay, it's hitting on the POC. So it's a point whereby it's not advisable to trade. Okay, it's not advisable to trade as of now. Okay, as of now. So not advisable to buy or sell. Should be looking out into this price here. Okay, let me see. His price is 2014, so should be looking at about 2010. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. After this, 1, 2, 3, 4, about here. Okay, 2014, around 2014, 2013, 4, yeah, about 2009. So according to this, should be looking at 2009 to sell down. For us 2009, but for his is 2014. Okay, 2014 to sell down. Okay, well, anyway, just for your general knowledge, just a knowledge. Okay, just something to share with all of you since I know something new. Okay, yeah, okay, something interesting. I wouldn't say new, but interesting. Okay. Please update your scam knowledge. More new ideas has been out in the market. Yours is outdated. Okay. Yes, thank you, Hubert. I will. Okay. Alright. Anyway, yeah, just hang on first, guys. I'll come back here. Pound dollar, I'm waiting for this price 124. No, sorry, 125. Okay, 125. Let's see if this 125 will it actually 125 will it actually comes into this area here to test. Okay, so that we will be able to see if that is actually will be actually good to hold it down. Okay, right. Okay, so let's see. For now, buyers can take note because looks like the pound dollar is going to reclaim. So if it's actually coming into this area here, you should have about 18 pips. 18 pips. Okay, it's about 18 pips there, right? About 18 pips. 18. Yes, about 18. Okay, so I guess okay. Let's wait and see. Okay, if that works. All right. For Pao Yen, yeah, just now we're talking about Pao Yen, am I right? Okay, Pao Yen. Okay, Pao Yen is also coming into this area. It started to stop into this area, stop here. Yeah. Then probably we will just need to hang on for a while and see. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, just now I got disconnected and my messages was lost. Let me send it out again. Okay. Okay, these are the currency pairs that I'm going to watch out for selling today. Okay. Okay, so over at this point here, waiting for some reclamation, then there may be a good chance for another round of selling. Okay. Do you find that it's very boring sometimes when you just hear me talking? Just like it's always myself. It's always only my voice. Anyone want to join me in the list live streaming to have a chat? At least somebody is talking to me, am I right? 要不要加入啊？要不要加入？一起加入好吗？Okay, so yep, and let's take a look over here. Yes, hi MK, nice to see you here. We really enjoy listening to you. Oh really? Thank you so much. Okay, yeah. So over at this point here, I hope my joke is. I know I have many lousy jokes, okay, but I hope it entertains you as well. At the same time, it entertains you. Okay, so let's take a look. We have a Pao dollar, so Pao yen and Pao kiwi, correct? Let's take a look at Pao kiwi. Pao kiwi, just now we were saying that Pao kiwi we still have a very good space to continue the selling for another 25 pips. So these 25 pips, it will be good. Okay, it will be good. Yeah. Okay, it will be good to do some scalping there. All right. So at least it is good to do some scalping there because it will be great. It will be great to wait for it to break this level 199,893, so that it will actually have a good fall from there, so that you can capture your profits easily. Okay, this will be an easy target area here. Okay, so that will be one. Okay. All right. So that's one point here. Yeah. That's very true. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So probably. Yeah. Okay. Probably. Okay. Let's hang on and let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay. So we can see, right? Hey, sorry. Wrong screen. My god. Okay, hang on. Okay, let me put it back. Okay, wrong screen. Okay. Sorry. 对不起。Yeah, okay, so let's see. Okay. this is something. Okay. Okay, good. Pound Kiwi, huh? Alright, so Sabrina was saying that Pound Kiwi, are we waiting for some retesting over into this area here? Alright, so look out for resistance before we can start selling, huh? Yep, in fact over here, okay, by looking into the Pound Kiwi, we are now looking into this. I would say that this area you can see is very clear, correct, Sabrina? Okay, it's very clear. So it's very clear, but this is H4. When we're looking into details, there will be some point, like example here, there's some obstruction. So along the way, but of course we still have a lot of pips away. Okay, so along the way, if we want to sell down, okay, we should be also looking out into this area. Okay, like here, you see we have some supports, some minor supports over into this area, some obstruction. So this is one area that I'm looking out for. That's why I was saying that try to have some scalping. Okay. Well, after it breaks this area into this area, then I think there will be a good drop there. Okay, so for Pound Kiwi, if we are actually going on for the selling, I guess I think I will wait for this to break this level. Okay, to break this level, then I will say that there may be a good chance for the selling. If not, there may be a good chance for the support to form up, to continue go up. All right, to test into the resistance up here. Alright, before we actually can go on the selling. Okay, so this is one point here. Okay, so that is one point about this. Alright, so that's one. And what we are actually looking at into this, okay, what we are looking into this area here is that, you know, there are plenty of chances that we are looking out for selling, but where is the key level? Where is the key level for us to enter for a selling trade? For example, like this, you know, if this is actually retracing upwards for a resistance, then okay, then we can go for a selling. We can look at this is about 15 pips, right? But not forgetting, Pound Kiwi, we are having a Pound Kiwis, you know, the spread is actually quite big as well. Okay, it can reach between 3.2 to about 5. Okay. So it depends on it depends on the volume. Okay, it's depending on the volume. So at this point here, okay, we are actually looking into some support that is going to form up over into this area, then continue the buying. Okay, let's see if that works out. Okay, if that is work out, then probably we may need a little bit of time. Okay, then it may comes back to test into this area. But of course, I will wish to see that now it should break the support immediately to swing down. Okay, break the support immediately to swing down so that we don't have to wait for so long. You can go right down here, alright? Then the next hour, probably from the next hour onwards, we can retest this area. We are going to trade into this area to grab the profits there. Okay, so that's for the Pound Kiwi. Okay, so that's one that we can take a look and just take note of that. Okay, so for the Pound Cat, right? For Pound Cat, okay, let's take a look. Pound Cat. Oh, what is that? Holy. Okay, Pound Cat. Yeah, Pound Cat. Okay, so for Pound Cat, same thing. Okay, and let's see. Well, after the swing down here. Okay, then now we can see it's actually coming back here. All right, so very obvious that we are going to look out for some support over here. Okay, yep. Sawadee krap. Thank you for coming back. Sawadee krap. All right, กินข้าวเหนียวไหม I miss Thailand มากนะ Okay, over here. Okay. Okay, so 医疗啊 Okay, nice. Very good. ดีมาก Right. We have about 38 pips to go for Pound Cat. 38 pips from this area. 38 pips. Let's see if this 38 pips is going to retest I'm going to see if it's going to retest this area here. Sorry, not this. This is not correct. A little bit higher. Okay, so we have about 1.68472. 168,472. 168,472. Okay. Yeah, so let's see if if the price is going to test into this area here. Then if this able to hold, then we will have another round of selling down. We can take the space here about 29 to 30 pips. Okay. Of course, we don't take that much. I would say a 20 pips is safe. Okay, a 20 pip will be safe if that really happens after the retesting. Okay. Yeah, so that's for the pound cat. Okay. Yeah, euro dollar. Okay, excuse myself for a sip. Okay. Okay, euro dollar. Yes. Euro dollar. Okay. Euro dollar. Yeah. I guess euro dollar have to wait for quite a while. Okay, because seems like the euro dollar is waiting to retest the resistance, and we have a resistance here. Okay, so let's wait for it to break above to come up into this area here, so that we can have a good slight sell back into 43 pips. Okay, that can happen. That can happen if selling, although now we are having a resistance here, but doesn't look good for selling. You know why? Let me show you. Okay, over here. Okay, for me, okay, over here, once you can see, they are trying to take out the highs here, right over here. Okay, so that they can there's some liquidity up there to be taken. So after that, then they will start to come back here to take the Asian low. Okay, so that's one. Okay, that's one over here. Right, so let's wait first, be patient. Okay, of course, if there's another, if let's say this able to hold, this resistance able to hold it down, if the selling structure comes in, okay, if the selling structure actually comes in, yes, by all means, please go. Okay, please go for your profit. Okay, you can. Okay, you can go for that profit. Okay, yeah, and yes, and see one messages here. What is that? Let me see. Okay, interesting. Okay, anyway, yeah, I guess okay, and anyway, never mind. Okay, it's not relevant in relevant and yet not relevant. Okay, irrelevant in our live streaming pertaining to the topic that we are discussing about the gold prices just now. Okay, yes, okay. I have a message here. But of course, I think not so nice to show you, huh? Because you'll see who is he. Okay. If you are interested to have an MT4 with such a price, we can work together. Okay. I mean, this person wrote in Chinese, asking me to be their IB. Okay. Okay, anyway, irrelevant. Okay, never mind. Thank you so much for listening to our topic early on. At least I know somebody is listening to us. Okay. am I very bad? Okay, anyway. Okay, I don't mean any harm, okay? I don't mean any harm, okay? Yeah. Yeah, so yep, let's go on, okay. And hi Roger, nice to see you here. Okay, so for euro dollar, we can take a look. Hi Katib, namaste. Thank you so much for coming in. So over at this point here, for euro dollar, just now we are saying, okay, I'm waiting for the sellers to come in before we take action. Okay, so let's see for other than euro dollar, let's take a look at euro yen. Okay, euro yen, there may be a good chance there. Right, euro yen. So euro yen over here. Okay, euro yen over here, we can see for euro yen is trying very hard to break the buyers, to break the buying structure. So I see that the selling structure is actually coming in, also good. Okay, the trending is coming in as well. So selling of euro yen is quite possible. It's very possible. Okay, so over at this point here, yeah, as we can see, euro yen, we are stuck at this level. Okay, you can see for the past 1.5 hours, they are very struggling. Okay, so at this point of time, I think it will be good. Okay, it will be good. All right, if we break this area, retest this area as a resistance, then there will be a good chance for the selling. Okay, there will be a good chance for a selling. All right, so be patient with the euro yen. Okay, so be patient with euro yen. Okay, not now yet. Okay, now is not the time yet. Okay, so let's see. Let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar. Yeah, Aussie dollar. Yeah, Aussie dollar over here. Right, Aussie dollar, we can see that the selling actually is coming in. Okay, looks good, you know, looks quite good over here, in fact. All right, and for Aussie dollar, we are looking into this area here that you know, selling is possible. Okay, selling is quite possible. However, right now we are actually looking out for a resistance before we actually start the selling. You know, that is one point. All right, that's one point. So over at this point here, the resistance that I'm looking out for is into this area, which is right now we are testing into this area here. All right, so that is one. Okay, and then we also be looking into a higher one over here. All right, so you can see where is it in M5. Okay, so we are very near. So we are very near to this level. Okay, so we can see that over at this point here, okay, we have this area here. So now it's testing to this area, some turbulence area. So if this is able to break above, if this continue to break above, I'm looking out to test into this resistance. Okay, we are testing to this resistance of 0.66876, 66876. Then there will be a good chance that the sellers may comes in to push further down. Okay, to take this, to test onto this support once again as a low. Okay. So they may be taking out this low. If this 0.66876 able to hold it, then I think that will be a good place to go for a selling, whereby you can capture more pips. At the same time, it's safer. We have about 22 pips of space there, so that everybody can see. Okay, it's favorable, not flavor, favorable, not flay. Okay, it's favorable. Okay. All right. So right now, okay, we'll wait for it to go to 66876. Okay, then we'll see how it goes before we can go for a selling. All right. Yeah, that's for Aussie dollar. Okay, how about Aussie yen? Okay, Aussie yen and Aussie yen. Yeah, Aussie yen over here. Let's take a look, Aussie yen. And now Aussie yen. Huh, that's interesting, Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen. I'm also looking out for the selling. Okay, so I'm waiting. So cold now. When the weather outside is so hot, and the aircon is so cold, so it felt so weird for a tropical, for a tropican. When it's hot, I like it cool. When I on the aircon, it's too cold. It's so difficult to strike a balance. Yeah. Okay, I'm talking nonsense just to keep myself awake, and because when I look at the Aussie yen, I am a bit sleepy. It looks like an Aussie yen. We are also looking into somewhere, Okay, somewhere. Okay, so here. Okay, so for Aussie yen, 90,944. 90,944. Alright, so I'm looking at this price. So I'm looking into this area that 90,944. So once it breaks this, okay, so once it breaks this area 90,751, there will be a good chance that it may go up to 90,944. That it will actually comes into an area, then we'll come back for the selling, which I see that maybe about another 19 to 20 pips, or yeah, I think this area here, this a bit unlikely. Yeah, I think this area here, about 20 pips. 19 to 20 pips. Okay, about 19 to 20 pips. Yep. Okay, so I think that's quite good. What's the weather there? Sunny. So hot. Not really sunny. I think today is a rainy day. Quite cloudy. Yesterday, the past few weeks was so hot. It's really hot. Yeah. The temperature was like only about 31, 32, but the humidity make it feel like 35, 36. Oh, it's really very terrible. Yeah. Okay, so I have to drink a lot of isotonic drinks just to keep my natural salt in my body. Okay. Nonsense. Okay, guys, come, let's take a look. Okay, so the plan here. Okay, whenever we trade, we need a plan. Am I right? So my plan for the Aussie yen, I'm going to wait for the price to break above 90,751 to reach, so that it will continue to go up, to buy up to 90,944. If 90,944 able to hold as a resistance over here, then I think we will be able to see a sell down back to 90,751, unless trending market is creating is trying to create a lower low, then of course we will see much lower price will be selling off down to about 90.52. Okay, that will be 90.52. Alright, okay, yes, yeah, okay, that's one. Yes, Kati, who's your mentor in trading and why did you choose trading as your career? Okay, let me, Kati, give me a little while. Okay, gold seems good for sell. Hi, nice to see you here from Facebook. Well, nice of you coming in. Would you like to click the link above? Alright, to come directly into my channel. Alright. Okay, for the goal wise, is it good for sell? For now, no. We are looking in the. I'm looking for the gold to go up for a little bit more. To look out for some point of resistance before it starts selling. Okay, well, Carlo, do you have any point, any view? Okay, For me, I'm looking into. Let me check. Let me see. Hi Omar, nice to see you here. It's been a long time. How are you? Okay. So 20. Oh, just now we are talking about 2022, and but personally, I'm looking into. No, just now we are talking about 2002, selling to 2002. Okay, or even lower. Okay, or even lower. All right, but provided there's one resistance. Okay, there's one resistance to be tested first. Okay, so I'm looking out into 2012. Okay, I'm looking into 2012. If this 2012 able to hold, then there will be around to sell down from 2012. That's tentatively what is showing me over here. Okay, 2012. So currently it will still go for a buy first. Okay, the buy is still ongoing. If you are keen, you can go for the buy. Okay, 2011 to 2012. Oh yeah, high five, Caro. Okay, so yeah, that's for okay, for I cannot see the name. Facebook user. I only can see Facebook user. Okay. Okay. All right. Anyway, okay. Thanks for dropping by. Okay, thanks for dropping by. So pound dollar, yes, okay, is still there. Okay. Still ongoing. Yeah, and let's see. We can see how it goes. Okay, the pound dollar is coming to 125.067. Okay, right. Yes. Okay, I think that's one coming in very soon. We are expecting to sell. Okay, right. GUTP 10 pips for the buy. Congratulations, Bradley. Well done. Okay, we have one Hui Sheng Wai. Okay, Hui Sheng Wai. Okay, just give me a little while. Let me come back here. Hui Sheng Wai 是说中文的哈。好，那我就用中文好不好 ？OK， 我的中文不是很好啊，但是也算是很不错了哈。只要你听得懂就可以了哈。请问你来自哪里？台湾、香港还是马来西亚 ？Cowboy style, yes, exactly, cowboy style 啊。OK， cowboy style for the 惠神外来自马来西亚OK， 好，马来西亚就用马来西亚的中文哈，好不好 ？OK。怎么说啊？那个是不是Assalamualaikum？可以这样讲吗？I think so In Malaysia, when we greet somebody, in Malaysia, well, Assalamualaikum. I think so. I can't remember. OK， 是的哈。OK。Okay, thank you， 谢谢你。好，棒澳。Okay, let's take a look at 棒澳啊。Sorry guys, let me use a little bit of Mandarin first. We have this. We have one viewer here talking about this. Okay, for the pound Aussie, I will use Mandarin. OK， 我们就用中文好吗 ？OK， 用马来西亚的华文。OK， 你好。这是什么？现在棒澳啊。整体来看的话呢，是一个上升趋势啊，牛市来的。不过这个牛市已经开始要转为熊市，不过呢还没，它就在那个转换的那个过程里面。所以如果你是说看的是那个要那个中线是吗？你刚才说那个什么？我看一下中长线哈。如果说是中长线的话呢，我是在看的是这一段哈。 OK， 在这里，如果呢在这里的话，下个小时可能会比较好一些。OK， 下个小时可能会比较好一些。现在不是进场的时候。我倒觉得说下个小时呢，当你开始不是下个小时啊，下个小时我看一下啊。不是哦，我觉得要等多2个小时吧，应该是要1个半小时，等4小时开，先等4小时开蜡烛啊，等4小时开蜡烛之后呢，有机会做空的话呢 ，OK， 如果4小时开蜡烛以后，我看的话，这4小时开蜡烛的话呢，一般如果是在做空的机会是比较大一点的。OK， 4小时开蜡烛的话，如果蜡烛是保持在这个支撑位置以下的话呢 ，OK， 其实是有很大的机会做空。现在目前呢，如果说要做空的话呢，就以短线的方式 scalping。OK， 来先这里有个空间，差不多25个点的空间，可以一点一点拿，先一点一点拿，好不好？那之后呢，你在这个价位啊1.86829以后啊，下面就比较算属于是长线可以拿的 ，OK， 好不好？这个地方就比较好一些啊。上面这一段的话就。现在开始就是比较算是短线交易啊 ，OK， 短线操盘，对不对？在马来西亚都喜欢用操盘哈，对不对 ？OK， 好，就是这样啊。OK， Hi Steve Leong， 萨瓦迪卡，泰 and 中文啊，哦。泰and 中文哦，还用泰and 中文啊 ？OK， 好啊，可以啊。So we can泰and 中文啊，这个泰and 中文怎么讲啊？一般我是泰and 英文哦。OK，All right，OK， let's come back here in English. All right, in English. All right, so over here we can see that at this point here. Alright, we are actually looking for pound Aussie. Just now we have one here. One viewer here was talking about this pound Aussie to look out for medium to long term. So medium to long term, the pound Aussie is actually in the bull, so it's going to test the support once again by looking at this because after resistance has been tested and still holding very well. So I'm looking out to test, but in this area here, I'm still looking out to test, to do some scalping. After that, I'm looking into this area to take the pips below there, about 80 pips there. So that will be a better area to take. Okay, so that's one area. Okay, so that's one area for me. All right, so yeah, that's one. Okay, yeah. Hi Khatib, let's come back to your questions. Why am I choosing trading as my career? Okay. Why? If you're asking me why. In the past, I see millions of dollars in and millions of dollars out from my hand. Yeah. So I choose this career hoping to see the millions comes into me, into my pocket and not out to anybody else. So I choose, yeah, okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's one of the main reasons why I choose this career. Okay, I was trained in the institution, okay. But then again, it's so different in the retail world. Okay. So my mentor, yeah, I happened to met my mentor, and yeah, I believe he's watching my live right now as well. So, hey, old man. Okay, no, just joking. Okay, it's the hardest and easiest way to earn money. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the hardest to me, the hardest way is yourself. it's so difficult to control your emotion. Okay, but it's easy once you master it. Yeah, not master the trading skill, is to master how to control yourself. That's what I meant. Okay, my mentor, my mentor, who is he? He's a trader. Okay, he's a trader where he plots the chart using graph paper. Okay, that was his era. Okay, until CRT computer with MS-DOS. Until today, we are into MT4. Alright, and I was asking him, are you going into the trading view? He said that's enough. MT4 is good enough. Anyway, he's coming to 80. Okay, so I don't think he want to change anything out of his comfort level. Okay. So yeah, I learned a lot of things from him. Okay. This not just trading alone. Yeah. So that's the reason why I always talk about emotion trading. Okay, not just about trading skills, knowledges. Okay, he taught me a lot. Yeah, but at the end of the day, there's one skill that he taught me. Okay, is really priceless. Yeah, and that kept me as a full-time trader to trade for my living until today. Okay, until today. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, Sifu, I'm very grateful to have you. I know you're watching. Okay, I am here and still surviving strong. Right, he is in London right now. Okay, he's in London right now. So yeah, he hosts a lot of classes. Yeah, don't cry, don't cry. Yeah. He's in London right now, so we are actually planning to have a very big class in Germany. So he's working on the Germany project right now. Yes, so you may not see me in YouTube for quite a while. In this maybe something different. Okay, you may still see me in YouTube, but maybe in a very different manner. perhaps. Okay, perhaps. Okay, yeah. I mean, yeah, but the first stop will be in UK. Going back to UK first. Yeah. Yes, Carol. So Birmingham. Yeah. Okay. So I should be going to Birmingham to have a taste of very, very famous barley soup in Birmingham. Okay, guys, come back here. All right. So, Khatib, I hope I have answered your question. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. Whenever I talk about this barley soup, do I really sound like gay? I hope I don't sound like gay, huh? Okay. Okay. So, yep. Pound dollar is coming into the resistance. Okay. Yeah, guys, please be very, very careful. Okay. Please be very, very careful. Okay. Okay, be very, very careful. Okay, let's take a look at this pound dollar. If this pound dollar is going to break out of this 125.067, okay, I think that will be very nice. Okay, don't get it up. Okay. No. Actually, I'm I can be multi blah blah blah. Okay, anyway. Okay, let's come back here. Okay, so for pound dollar, for pound dollar, we like the essence. Please continue. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so pound dollar, look out for selling if first of all, let's see if this pound dollar with these resistance levels here, are we able to hold it first? I will say that tentatively, okay, tentatively with this level here. Okay, we can see from this area. Okay, sorry, from this level, we can see there's a lot of commotion in this area here. All right, so if this is able to hold it down, okay, if this is able to hold it down, all right, so this space to this space we have about 13 pips to go. But looking into this area here, all right, if this is able to hold it down, this is one turbulence area that you need to take note. Okay, you need to take note. After that, okay, after that, there should be one good area to take, which is this area here, 28 pips there. All right. So of course, by looking at this, I'm quoting if this 125.067 able to hold as a resistance, able to. If not, okay, if not, then we are looking that the pound dollar should be going up to take the high. After taking out the highs, then after that, then we will go back again. Okay, so take note of this. Okay, take note of this. Please take note of this. Don't sell right now. Okay, I don't see a don't sell right now. I think we still have about 12 minutes to hold it until the next hour. I think the next hour will be a better selling opportunity. Okay, all right. Okay, yeah, pound yen. Okay, coming back here, pound yen again. Right, pound yen. So looking into pound yen over here. Okay, so let's see if this pound yen over at this point here. All right. We can see that 169.957 seems like it's also holding there's a resistance now. Okay, but it's not confirmed yet. Okay, so let's wait for a while. I guess we still for pound yen as well. If this is going to break above, the buy will still continue. I think the buy will still continue to take the highs. Okay, same thing. It looks the same as the pound dollar. Okay, it looks the same as the pound dollar. Okay, so that's for pound yen. Okay, so let's take a look at the gold. Okay, as for the gold wise, we are so sleepy with the gold. Caro, do you have any idea for the gold? Are we still waiting for 2012? Okay, so if I'm going for scalp for the buy, I think 2012 is still 2011 to 12. I think is still good. This 2011 here, okay, this area here, yeah, I think this is good. This is still good. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's take a look. This one and yeah, 2012. 2009 is rejection so far. Okay. In 2009 here. 1, 2. I think that's not a big issue. I think 2009, huh? Okay, let's see. Two 2009. No volume, no momentum. Yeah, quite flat there, huh? I see. Sometimes when I see things like this, I'm a bit turned off. To be honest, I'm a bit turned off. Okay. But I think probably we just need to give a little bit of time, and then it will still be coming into this 2012. Okay, 2012 is still highly possible. Okay, 2012 is still possible. Okay, so after you can for some scalpers 2012, after you achieve 2012, then I think it will still be good over there. Okay, it will still be good over there to take this 2012. Then after that, look out for there may be a round of selling here. There may be a round of selling over here. I think no. I think after this it may still continue to go up. No, I think after 2012, so far, okay, so far I see. Let me see. So far, there's so far I see as of 2012, I think it will still go up a little bit more. I think that may also become 2016 to 2017 is even possible. It's also possible. It's also possible there. You know, 2016 to 2017. It's also possible there. Okay. Yeah. It's still possible there, huh? Okay, so yeah, let's take a look and see how it goes. Actually, I'm quite concerned about the Bitcoin, huh? 27.2. Okay. So Caro, did you manage to get the Bitcoin at the price of 16,000? Okay, pound dollar. Yeah, it breaks through. Okay, pound dollar, it breaks through. Okay, 125.067. So probably we may. Yeah, the selling spree over. Yeah, the selling spree is over. Okay, nope. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah. Do you think for the Bitcoin we are still waiting for it to come to a point of 8,000? I'm waiting for 6,000 to 8,000 where the whole market collapse with fear, and then I'm gonna move in. It may happen. Yeah, it may happen. Okay, so pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. It seems like we are breaking through. If there's a pullback to set up a support, it's going up to take the highs up there. All right, it's going to take the highs up there. Then let's see. We are going to take these highs here. So the price will be around 125.311. Okay, 125.311. Okay, so let's see. Okay, 125.311. And just now we're talking about this. It broke above. Okay, it broke above now. Let's see. Check. Correct. Okay, so we have a space for the buying over here, from here to here, about 23 pips. If this set up as a support to continue, okay, I think tentatively we can look out for the buying. Okay, tentatively we can look out for the buying until a point over here. Then we have to be careful. It may turn down for the selling all the way down to take this. Okay, all the way down to take this. All right, 65 pips there. Okay, so there may be one. Okay, there may be one. All right, so can take a look. Okay, just pay attention to this as well. It may not. Well, it may not. All right, but then again, is that there's still possibility. Okay, there's still possibility that maybe from here to here about 55 pips. 55. Okay, 55 pips there. Yeah, it's quite possible. All right, it can be quite possible there. Okay. Broker manager. Well, broker manager. Anyone know broker manager? Okay, so anyway, Anyone know what is broker manager? Broker manager. Okay, yeah, that's for the pound dollar. How about the pound yen? I think it looks almost the same. Pound yen looks like it's holding. It's struggling now in at this resistance level here. Okay, let's check. Is holding well, very well. We have another 3 minutes. Okay, so the only thing that as a seller I want to sell. Very likely we are actually looking into pound yen. All right, if the pound yen in the next hour, if there's a good chance for selling, okay, if we have a good chance for selling, okay, for the pound yen, wow, that looks very 24 pips. We have about 24 pips around here. Okay, about 24 pips. So if there's a chance for selling, you can look out for 24 pips until the price of 169.748, about 748. Gold TP 10 pips. Well done, congratulations. Well done, man. I thought you say there's no volume, no momentum. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Okay, so guys, a bit flexible, because since we know that since we are looking at the goal going to reach out for 2012, okay, then we can take a chance to buy in, okay, to do some scalping along the way. Okay, was waiting for the push. I see. Good, good, thumbs up for you. Okay, yep. All right, so that's one. Okay, and we also have let's take a look. Okay, let's see if the pound is able to hold. Okay, if the pound is unable to hold, then forget it. Let's wait first. Pound cat is also coming back. So do we just now? Okay, just now. I can't remember who asked about pound cat to sell. Try not to sell at the low. Okay, so allow it to come back here. Okay, always don't chase the low. And you see such a big candle selling down, don't enter any trade until it goes back to form another resistance. Then you go for the selling. Okay, so usually when you see such a situation like this, we have to stay away. Okay, we just have to stay away. All right. Okay, congratulations, everybody. Right, H1 has opened. Let's take a look for pound yen. So looks like it's still withholding under the resistance, which is still good. Pound dollar, no, definitely a buy. Okay, definitely a buy for to 125.312, 125.312. Okay. As for pound yen, okay, pound yen, it may be a short-term selling for until this level of 24 pips here, 20 pips, sorry. So you can take a look. Okay, if this able to hold, okay, as a resistance, I think the pound yen is good to sell. The pound yen will be good to sell. Okay, if the pound yen, the candle is going to go below, if the candle is going to go below this week, okay, at the price of 169.891, 169.891, okay, then I think the selling will come in. Okay, right, then it will come in. Okay, about maybe 13 pips, 13. Okay, yeah, maybe that's about 13 pips there. Okay. Alright, so that will be the plan. That will be the plan for this pound yen, pound dollar. Wait for it to push to 125.312 before, and look out for selling opportunity. If the resistance able to hold it well, taken out the highs and hold it as a resistance, come back here to see if the sellers are coming in to take control. Then we will go in and continue the selling. Meanwhile, it's still on the buy side. Okay, meanwhile, it's still on the buy side. All right. Okay, I guess that should be all for today. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming in. Yeah, my 2 hours is up, so I shall see you guys tomorrow. All right, tomorrow. Right, thank you so much. So wish you good luck in your New York session trading. All right, and the plan that we had just discussed, if you didn't manage to get it clear, right, you can play back, okay, and come back into this last session of the video. Usually I have a summarized up on my plan on the last session of the video. All right, so thank you so much, guys. So do remember, all right, to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you again tomorrow. Good luck in your trading. Thank you, guys. See you. 泡烟，泡烟啊。Okay, see you.